Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we are doing a collaboration with Kenneth over at What's New Barbecue. Okay, Kenneth contacted me a few days ago, told me that he got a REC TEC 700, and so he was wanting to do a collaboration. I was like, sure, man, let's go ahead and do it. And his idea was to do a breakfast cook on the REC TEC 700s. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We are collaborating. He's doing his breakfast, I'm doing my breakfast, and we're going to be posting these videos about the same time. Okay, so hey, if you haven't checked out Kenneth over at What's New Barbecue, you got to check him out. I'll put the link down here at the bottom of the screen and in the description block, man. Check the guy out. The guy is fantastic, man. He definitely knows his way around the barbecue grill. Okay, so hey, yeah, I know I'm drinking a beer right now. We cooked earlier this morning. It's 12 noon right now. So, and anyway, even if it was 8 o'clock in the morning, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So, but anyway, hey, let's go ahead and show you how we did our breakfast cook on the REC TEC 700, and then I'll give you my final points after the video. So, hey, stick around and don't go nowhere. Okay, first we're going to prepare our rack for the bacon. Now here we're going to put a dish towel underneath the bacon to capture any excess bacon grease. Next we're going to spray the rack with some non-stick oil. The bacon we're using today is Black Label Pecan Wood thick cut bacon from Hormel. Next, we're going to prepare for the hash browns. We're using one of REC TEC's mesh cooking mats, and we're going to be using Ore-Ida Golden Crispy Crowns as a hash brown substitute. With the REC TEC 700 set to 375 degrees, we place our hash brown and bacons in first. And 30 to 40 minutes later, our bacon is nice, brown, and crispy. The hash browns are almost there, but we're going to give them another 10 minutes. Next step is to place our biscuits in the smoker to get them started. And with the additional 10 minutes, our hash browns are now GBD, golden brown and delicious, and ready to come out. Now we're preparing our eggs. We take 8 eggs and we add some Mrs. Dash, some Zatarain's Cajun seasoning, some hot sauce, and a little half and half milk, and mix it well. there you have it. breakfast is served. Everything came out fantastic. The biscuits even had a slight smokiness to them. All right, guys, so that's it. You saw the cook, man. The breakfast came out fantastic. The wife really loved it. I know you can cook breakfast on the stove and get it out the way in a few minutes, okay? But this is all about using the REC TEC smoker to cook the entire breakfast, okay? The one thing I got to figure out how to do is probably cook grits on it. Maybe make a grit casserole or something like that. That would have really completed the entire breakfast. A couple of notes, though. A lot of you might be saying, well, why'd you put the towel underneath the bacon, and you put it in the smoker in the pan? But when we originally did the test with the bacon grease dripped on the pan and on the foil below, and really smoked up the REC TEC 700, okay, and thereby almost burning the bacon. So we had to regroup. We started all over this morning, and that's the way we went, and it came out pretty good. The bacon on the ends of the tray were got done before the ones in the middle, just because the heat comes around the edges of that deflection plate. So, but the bacon was fantastic. So was the potatoes. They were nice and crispy, but they wasn't greasy because they weren't deep fried. Okay, I wanted to use regular hash browns, but all the hash browns in the store that I saw, they had to be pan fried, and didn't want to go through that fiasco with putting a skillet inside the REC TEC and opening and closing it and trying to fry hash browns. So we used some oven potatoes, and they came out perfect, okay? As far as the biscuits was fantastic. And the eggs, what I would do differently, I had this in like a meatloaf pan. I would probably put it in like a little 9x13 pan that would kind of spread the eggs out more, and then it would probably cook a little bit quicker. See, the eggs took about 20 minutes to cook. The bacon took about 40 minutes to cook. The biscuits about 30 minutes to cook, and the hash browns about 30 to 35 minutes to cook. The entire REC TEC smoker was on 375 degrees the entire time. So if you can find a way to put all that stuff in there and then take it out, you can probably get everything done within an hour. Okay. If I had my top shelf clean, I probably could have put 2 things on the bottom and 2 things on the top and got everything done almost at the same time. So just a thought, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. I want to thank Ken over at What's New Barbecue for coming up with this collaboration. Brother, anytime you want to do this again, man, just hit me up, man. I really enjoyed this one. I love collaborations. And then you guys out there who have YouTube cooking channels, you want to do collaboration with Bad Beast Barbecue, man, hit us up through email or through Facebook, man. We'd love to do something with you, okay? Also, if you guys are interested in a REC TEC smoker, check out the guys at RecTecGrills.com. They got a fantastic line of smokers, great customer service, and they definitely won't do you wrong, okay? Well, that's it. Like I said, today's Sunday, so it's after 12. It's time to go outside and enjoy a few beers, a few drinks, and hit a stogie or 2, okay? Before Monday rolls around, they got to head back to the job. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If there's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker.